Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to use the explaineverything.com. So I'm currently on the website and I'm on my profile. So I'm going to start by clicking New Project. And it's very convenient because you can use many different places to start. You can use blank or you can use a template. For today I'm just going to use a template. And you have all these custom templates. Today I'm just going to we'll use green chalkboard. And I'm just going to mute the microphone because I'm currently using this microphone. And so here you are. You can start by inserting an image or file or audio. We're going to go for clip art today. And I'm just going to do something that I would for like a quick math lesson. So as you can see, they have many clip art that you could use. And this arrow, if you click on it, this is how you're going to move your clip art and your pictures around. So over here is pens and highlighters. So I will just use a quick, 5 inches at the top and 10 on the sides. And we can set this up for an area problem or a perimeter problem. You can use many different tools for that. This is simply an eraser, and here if you wanted to just fill in your box. So if you use this arrow can be used to redo a mistake. So say you want to take that away, it's undone. And right here you can add text. So click on your text box. And today we will do how to find the area. And this is how you adjust all your settings on the text. And over here is where you can use as a laser pointer to point to what you're talking about. So we can see that this side of the rectangle is 5 inches and this side is 10 inches. So you can also use recording, and you can record your voice, talking, and you can add videos. And that's pretty much how to use Explain Everything. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's very easy to use and user-friendly, so I actually really enjoy using it and would definitely recommend it.